Okay, so Ikea delivery is here. Check it out. There. Now, it turns out Luke and Dean have never done any flat pack furniture before. So we are going to have some bookcases. It's the same as these over here, so check those out. It's the same as those. They are going to go here where we clear the space. And we are going to have a competition, a flat pack competition for Luke and Dean. So I have told them whoever wins gets to go home early. So as they've never done it, they should be interested. Literally interesting. The boxes are there. They haven't seen inside the boxes. They haven't seen the instructions. They don't know what tools to use. They don't know anything. But it's going to be fun. So we won't run it all the way through because it's probably going to take some time. So we'll speed up a bit afterwards. But on the count of 3, okay. 2, 1, off you go! Okay, right, so this should be interesting.
Oh, hold on, when did you get a knife?
There's cheating going on here already. Got to try and find the best angle to do this at, so this should be fun. So have you ever put up a flat pack furniture before, Dean?
No.
Luke, we need those boxes.
Do it?
No, we don't. No, you're right. Don't worry, guys. We are going to fast forward this in a minute. You're not going to sit through the whole lot. What do you reckon, Mike? Who's in the lead?
Might be on Luke.
My money's on Dean.
Can we change halfway through?
Now, anyone that has seen Ikea instructions before know that it's pretty much gobbledygook. You're meant to get everything you need to build it, but you never do. So there's the first set of instructions, the Billy bookcase, the good old-fashioned Billy bookcase. Oh, Dean's got everything out.
Dean's got everything out.
And Dean's first on the instructions. Here we go.
All safety instructions.
Just got to hope we've got no customers or deliveries coming now. If we have, we might have to pause. And Luke is on the instructions.
Might have to speed this bit up 15 minutes here.
Well, that's 2 minutes 44 so far.
Oh, Luke's got the...
I'd have finished by now.
Luke's got the bits out.
I see. Look, Dean's doing the right thing here. Dean's checking out all instructions first to get a good overall, idea of it. Maybe you can skip a few bits. Oh, and that's it. You see, Dean is now off to get some tools. So Dean's.
But I do like Luke's way of doing things. He's setting out
pretty good, yeah.
all the pieces into their little piles.
That is a cunning little thing, although they might get moved all over the place when you start laying everything out.
When Dean walks past, yeah, kicks them.
Sabotage. He just takes one of them and I go and get, that's what I'm going to do.
Put it in your back, quick, put it in your back pocket. Quick.
Dean, got to be fair here. He's nicked a few of your bits. You might want to nick some of his bits. There's a bit of a wind up. just nick 2 of those. Nick 2 of those.
Don't take any of them. Take one of the shelves. Hide them somewhere. Around the place.
Got to play fair here. Got to play fair. Hey, and there's Magic Sing's come to help out. Hey, then, buddy.
I've no idea what I'm doing.
We're having a flat pack competition between Luke and Dean.
Nice.
Say hello to the world.
Hello world.
Now get out.
Yeah. He's missing a piece.
Well, if you're missing a piece, it might just be that Dean might be missing a few pieces as well. In which case, a bit of honesty all round might make everyone's life a little bit easier. Eh?
He's got a piece that I don't have.
Well, a little bit of honesty all round might make everyone's life a little bit easier.
There's a shelf on your desk.
So if everyone gives back all their parts that they borrowed, then it makes it a bit more fair.
Yeah, too shy.
update here. Look, this is where it stands so far. Luke has got kind of a frame put together, and Dean is almost there with that frame. So I would say it's virtually head and head at the moment. Head to head, or maybe Dean is that's why Luke has a slight edge over Dean.
It looked like he was winning earlier. And
It
he just
did.
had to take the top off.
By the way, guys, you do want to make sure that you have all the shelves the right way around, because one thing with Ikea is that sometimes you don't realise that the fronts of the shelves have a bit there, and this one is not, and that one is not, and you're laughing, Dean, but if you look at yours is the same. So this is one of the things about Ikea, you often make it and then realise that you've got the shelves the wrong way around. So there we go.
I have screwed mine in there, so.
Both of you have one bit to change around. I shouldn't really have pointed it out till the end, but there we go. We do want to get them finished.
I was so conscious of that.
You would not believe how many shelves in the past I've done that with as well. Just pointing out another little thing here for Dean.
What have he forgot?
Everything's right.
What's he forgotten?
Well, look where the backboard's going to be. So this is going to be the back.
He's got
Yeah,
them
these are the
all.
You
fronts.
don't have to point it out. I'll change it, right?
No. It's all part of the fun. This is all part of making a video.
This is not fun.
That does put Luke in the lead by quite a substantial amount. But Luke has done one major thing that he hasn't realised yet. So yeah.
No, I haven't. No, I haven't. Stop taking it out.
Could the whole thing not be upside down?
What? Upside down? Like,
Come on, guys. This is for an afternoon off. You got to go home early. Okay, so here's an update so far. Backs are on. Have you nailed yours on, Dean?
Yep.
Ooh, neck and neck. So, you're done?
I'm all done.
Finished?
Yeah.
Hey! Right, well,
just cover Dean up in the shot, I think. 'Cause
well, if you've done it, mate, that's it. You go home.
see you later.
Bye.
Any more clothes?
Well done. So there we have. Luke won it by where were you? By a shelf, by 2 shelves. There we go. That was close. Unlucky, Dean. Had you not got everything round the wrong way, mate, you'd have had that. But there we go.
I also helped a customer in that time.
That is
while
the
Dean was
end
building.
of our
Competition.
build off. Thanks for watching.
You'll need these to finish your book.
Can you just go down there and repeat what you just did?
Yeah. Alright, I didn't think there was a.
Go down there. Just look down underneath. And what do you say? Oh bleep.
Oh, yeah.
Oh bleep. So
Did I
this
say
bit is on the
bleep?
wrong way.
Did I swear?
This is Dean's, which means your bit is also on the wrong way. So that needs to be changed over. This needs to be changed over. And that should be underneath. So that needs to be changed over. So we're not done right yet.